First, open Google Chrome and go to Google Gemini. In the prompt section, type the exact prompt I've added in the description box below. Upload a model picture from your PC gallery. Once you enter the prompt and upload the picture, hit the send button. Google Gemini will create a 3D model figure for you. Just wait a minute. And here you go. It generates exactly the 3D nano-banana model you wanted. Super simple and amazing. Now you'll notice the model doesn't have shoes. No problem. Just type, put glowing high black heels. After that, you'll see Google Gemini instantly adds shoes to your 3D banana model. You can also download your 3D model directly. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom 3D banana model using Google Gemini. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.